So this is my Nook tablet, and one thing that you're not able to do is charge the tablet while it's off. So here I'm going to shut off my tablet, and you can see as soon as I turn off the tablet there's no light indicating it's being charged. So this is kind of strange. Some people said that they can get their tablet to charge while it's off. I don't know how they did it. I guess it depends on tablet to tablet. So if you're wanting to charge this with the power off, I don't think it's possible. I don't know why they did it like that. Other tablets work. So if you pull this out and you pull it in, it'll turn green for a second. Then it turns amber, but then it turns on your tablet. And so again, you know the tablet is charging if the light is amber over here. And that's all. So you can't charge it. Some people can charge it with the tablet off, but my tablets, I guess, might be special. I can't charge it while it's off.